Have you ever wondered what makes things move? It's a question that has fascinated humans for centuries. From the smallest particles to the largest planets, everything in the universe is in motion. But what causes this movement? What are the invisible forces at play? Why does a ball roll? Is it just because we give it a push, or is there more to it? When you see a ball rolling down a hill, it's not just moving on its own. Gravity pulls it down, and friction with the ground slows it down. These are forces at work. How does a swing go back and forth? When you pump your legs, you're applying force. But even when you stop, the swing keeps moving for a while. That's inertia, a property of matter that keeps it moving unless acted upon by another force. What makes a rocket launch into space? It's all about thrust, a powerful force that pushes the rocket upwards. The engines burn fuel, creating hot gases that shoot out from the bottom, propelling the rocket skyward. This is Newton's third law in action. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. It's all about something called forces. Forces are what make the world go round. They are the invisible push and pull that govern the movement of everything around us. From the gentle breeze that rustles the leaves to the powerful waves crashing on the shore, forces are at play. Let's explore forces. They're all around us, in the air, water, and ground, and they help us jump, run, and play. Understanding them helps us understand our world. We can't see them, but we can see what they do. When you see an apple falling from a tree, that's gravity at work. When you feel the wind on your face, that's air pressure. Forces are invisible, but their effects are all around us. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of forces and motion. We'll explore how they work and shape everything, from playground fun to the stars above. We're going to have so much fun learning about how things move. We'll conduct experiments, play games, and discover the secrets of motion. Whether it's rolling, sliding, or flying, there's always something new to learn about forces. So, what is force? A force is a push or a pull that can make something move, stop, or change direction. It's what helps you kick a ball, open a door, or ride your bike. Now let's learn about gravity. What is gravity? Ever wonder why things fall? Thank gravity. It's an invisible force that pulls things down, like when an apple drops to the ground. It helps keep everything in place. Gravity is a force that pulls everything down to Earth, like an invisible magnet. It keeps us from floating and gives things weight. Gravity also makes a ball fall back down after you throw it in the air. Try it. When you throw a ball up, gravity pulls it back down. This is why playing sports and games is possible. Without gravity, the ball would just keep going up and never come back down. Even planets and stars have gravity. Every object with mass has gravity, and the bigger the object, the stronger its gravitational pull. This is why planets and stars, which are massive, have significant gravitational forces. The sun's gravity is what keeps all the planets orbiting around it. The sun, being the largest object in our solar system, has a powerful gravitational pull that keeps the planets, including Earth, in their orbits. This gravitational dance is what makes our solar system so fascinating. Gravity is super important. Without it, there'd be no oceans, no air, and no life on Earth. So next time something falls, remember, that's gravity doing its amazing job. Now that we've explored gravity, let's check out another awesome force that's always working behind the scenes: friction.
Friction is a force that slows things down. It happens when two surfaces rub together. Try rubbing your hands together really fast. Feel the heat? That's friction. Friction helps us walk without slipping. It helps cars slow down and stop. And it even helps us write with a pencil.
Now let's see forces in action. Get ready for some fun examples from everyday life. Forces are everywhere, making all sorts of cool things happen. When you swing on a swing, you're using force to go higher and higher. Astronauts in space experience very little gravity, so they can float. Wow. And when you bump into something like in bumper cars, you feel the force of the impact. Forces are what make the world an exciting and dynamic place. Now it is time for a mini quiz. Put on your thinking caps. It's time to show what you've learned about forces. Ready? Don't worry, it's all in good fun. Just do your best and enjoy the process. Let's go! Question 1. What is a force? A. Something we eat. B. A push or a pull. C. Something we watch on TV. Think carefully about what we've discussed. The correct answer is B. A push or a pull. That's right, a force is a push or a pull. Remember what we said? Forces are all around us, from the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed. They help us move, stop, and interact with everything in our world. Question 2. What force makes things fall to the ground? A. Magic. B. Gravity. C. Wind. The correct answer is B. Gravity. Do you remember what we talked about when the apple fell from the tree? Gravity is the force that pulls everything toward the earth. Question 3. What force slows things down when they rub together? A. Friction. B. Glue. C. Sunshine. The correct answer is A. Friction. Think about when you slide your hand across a table. The resistance you feel is due to friction. It's what helps us walk without slipping and cars to stop when brakes are applied. How did you do? Whether you got all the answers right or learned something new, you're on your way to becoming a force expert. Keep exploring and asking questions.